Hi neighbors, welcome back to another video of Cooking with Neighbors. It is I, Jerry Ellen, and today I'm going to show you like the easiest way to make some chicken enchiladas, okay? It's not very many ingredients, it's not very difficult to do, and it's very tasty. Alrighty, I'm going to move this out of the way. You can half this recipe. I'm making a big batch, but a large lasagna tray that I buttered or greased or whatever. My oven is preheating to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and let me lift just a little. Okay, I have a pan with a few tablespoons of oil. I'm gonna warm that up. Earlier, while that's heating up, I'll tell you what I did. I took a whole chicken and I covered it with water. I put a few spices in there and some bay leaves, and I slow simmered it for a while until it was all cooked and tender. And I took the skin off, so I took all the meat off of it because I want like 6 cups of shredded up chicken. How is everyone? I hope fine and dandy. Fine and dandy. Okay, so I have an onion. I diced it up. I'm gonna put it in my pan with the oil there. Grab my wooden spoon. I'm going to saute those until they're soft. I'm also going to add a pinch of salt onto that. Help draw out the water. We got the football game on in there. It's a Sunday. You're seeing this on a Monday. The guys are starting to feel a little better. I'm just going to let this roll so I don't forget to click on and off. I'm using floured tortillas because that's what I had in my freezer that I want to use. I already have these little ones, but they will do. Already they're softened a little. I'm going to add a couple of teaspoons of minced garlic. Now I can smell the garlic. So now I'm going to add 2 cups of either use tomato sauce or crushed tomatoes. I had whole tomatoes that I pureed, so whatever. And you want like 2 cups. A teaspoon of chili powder. Now you can add water if you want. I'm going to use a cup of the broth from when I poached the chicken. So 1 cup. My oven's preheated. Now, I'm going to add my cups of my chicken that I pulled apart from the chicken. And when I did, when I was saving it in the fridge, I put some liquid in there so that my chicken wouldn't dry out. We don't want dry chicken. Yeah, I probably could have shredded this a little smaller. And if you have green chilies, you want to chop them up like 2 or 3. Knock yourself out. Yeah. So I covered it. I'm going to simmer it for 10 minutes, 12 minutes, and do my dishes in the meantime. I have it slightly ajar, just to let the sauce just thicken slightly as it's simmering. Okay, I just moved that over now. It's finished simmering. And I got myself, you can use half and half, you can use heavy cream. I'm going to use canned milk, okay? Okay? I want like a cup and a half, say, give or take. So if I have to top it up with just some milk, I will. Oh, she good, she good. Okay. Just gonna turn that on, not high. I just want to dissolve 2 teaspoons of chicken powder, like chicken base or bouillon. Okay, you want to know this? I also grated 3 cups of cheese. Use whatever cheese you want. Whatever you have. You can use like a cheddar, Monterey Jack. You can use marble. You can combination, tex-mex, whatever. Here's my little silicone whisk. Oh, I know. Garbage, it's in the garbage. Because I am going to dip my tortillas. Like I say, this is the kind I might have pulled it away too fast. That's what I am using. Okay. To make them like pliable without cracking on you, like it's going to help dipping them in here. Plus, like if you need to microwave them for a few seconds, 30 seconds, 40 seconds or so. We don't want to burn ourselves. Hands are clean, no nasty hands. Okay, I want to lift you up higher so that you can see. Or this way. Does that work better? I don't know. I'll like to put the size of the pan across the screen. But anyway, it's large. But like I say, it will be well. I'm going to overload it because they're going to stay together. Spoon some sauce. And when I fold it over and tuck it, roll it, and seam side down. Put that little guy back in there. Okay, do her again. Going to be kind of messy. Push them up a little, squishy. I'm just going to turn it this way now. Okay, if I didn't overload a couple of the first ones, I could probably squish in another 1 or 2. Now, this is what I do. This is what I do. When this is in the oven, I gotta clean up. I gotta clean as I go and plus clean up while it's in the oven. Okay, so the, woo. The rest of the sauce and the cream I combine. Just mix that around. I'm going to spoon the sauce over. There's bits of chicken still in the sauce, but that's fine. No matter. Okay, that's enough. Now my cheese. I'm using what I had in my fridge. And that is some cheddar and some mozzarella. And because I didn't have a lot of cheddar, I used a bit finer of a grate when I was doing it to make it stretch. Now, I'm going to cover this with some foil. You know, you could put parchment paper and then the foil. Then you won't have that cheese maybe sticking to it. Or you can use a non-stick foil or spray it. I'm taking my chances. "20 minutes covered, then I'll take the foil off, and about 10-15 more minutes after that. Second shelf from the bottom. See you when it's ready and plated. You helping Mama clean the floor, Harrietta? Yeah? You wanna go outside? Alrighty. So, 20 minutes, cover on, 15 minutes, cover off. And I got some rice over there. Oh my goodness. So good. Oh. Look at that. I'm gonna do a thumbnail. We're probably going to cut up some avocados and some sour cream and green onion. And I like it getting slightly brown on parts of it. It's going to be so tasty. Yes. Time for it. Be better to let it cool a bit, but nope. Yeah, I like lasagna. Putting a little bit of sauce down first will help a lot, but I did grease it. Here we go. Get a fork. You know what I'm going to say? I like it a lot. Yeah, the creaminess added to it from the evaporated milk is very good. So quick and easy. Quick and easy. Very, very nice. Nice amount of cheese for us anyway, but you can use more. And if you wanted a little less saucy, but I think it's a great amount of sauce, you can use a half cup of chicken broth or water, add it to the tomato puree and stuff. But I think the whole cup works. Anyway, I didn't forget about the other things that I had planned, like the no egg thing. Just that I wanted to do a meal dish before I do a couple of these other ones. There's been a few videos since I did a meal one. Anyway, be on the lookout for all the stuff I have planned. Like, share, subscribe, and I appreciate you all, and love yous.